Come, here is how you can gift a Cowrywise investment plan to someone in a few simple steps. So you open the Cowrywise app and log into your account. So you tap on the invest button. So when you tap into it, there are several and different interfaces for different phones. So on your phone, after you have clicked on invest, you see select create a plan and choose the investment type you want to gift. Because I don't have a plan already, that is why it is not showing on my interface. So you set up the target details such as the plan name, target amount and duration. Under the plan options, toggle or select give this plan. So you enter the recipient's registered Cowrywise email address or phone number. Set the amount you want to fund the plan with, choose your payment method and confirm the transaction. The recipient will get a notification and the investment plan will be transferred directly to their account. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.